Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Mate X7 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's begin with opening the dialer. And I'd like to start with showing you how to block a contact that you've got already saved on your list, and after that I'll show you how to do it more manually. So let's go to your contacts, which are right here. Find the contact that you'd like to block and tap on it. In my case it will be Mary. And then tap on the 4 dots icon in the right upper corner. Here let's tap on block contact. And as you can see, sorry, I missed this information. The number has been blocked successfully, which means that you will not receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. We've got it stated right here. Of course, if you want to, you can unblock it the same way. So 4 dots icon and tap on remove from blacklist. However, let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist, because this is the second way of blocking the number. So to enter the blacklist, we have to tap on phone, which is right here. Tap on the 4 dots icon right there and tap on blocked. So here we can set call block rules and message block rules. You can do it, just tap on the specific option and you can decide whether you want to block all incoming calls, unknown numbers or private withheld numbers. And same situation with message block rules, but here we can block unknown numbers only. But what I wanted to show you is that here we've got this gear icon, so let's tap on it. And surprisingly, here we've got our hidden block list or trust list. So let me focus on the block list. As you can see, we've got one number here. Let's tap on it. And we've got the information that it is Mary from our contacts. We've got also the blocked calls and messages counted here, which is also nice. You cannot really do anything more with this number. However, here we've got an additional option. We've got this plus icon, so we can add the number here manually. We can block prefix, add from contacts, call log, or messages. I'll show you add manually, because thanks to it, you do not have to have the number saved. You can just enter it here. So let's just enter it and tap on OK. And as you can see, your device will immediately block the number. And if you'd like to unblock the number, just tap on it and hold it. And now you can mark the numbers that you'd like to remove. So in my case, I will select all and then tap on the trash bin icon to remove. You can also decide whether you want to restore blocked messages, up to you, and tap on remove, and the blacklist is empty. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.